Alright fellas, so today the problem at hand is that the heater of my Toyota Aqua isn't functioning very well. So the car has already worked a little bit. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. Let's move forward. Okay, so basically, like I said, the heater is at max, but it doesn't heat up that well. It remains pretty cold. This is my thermal camera, and let's wait for a while. Right now it's less than 1 degrees outside, you can see. I just started the car. I'll keep it on for like 5-7 minutes, maybe 10, and then I'll come back and show you that it doesn't, the temperature of the AC, or sorry, this heater doesn't rise up that much as it should in this cold weather. And what I expect is that the heater basically gets the heat from the water, hot water circulation from the engine, from the bonnet. I've already opened up the bonnet, and that causes the heat of the heater. I'm gonna flush that today basically, and where those are, let me show you. Okay, so this is the outside of the car. You see this one right there. This pipe needs to be taken out and flushed. So one of that would be the inlet and the other one is outlet. So let's get on to it. So basically now you can see from the thermal camera that it just started to heat up a little bit, but the heater is at max. I'm back almost I don't know, 10 minutes, and it just reaches up to hardly 8.5, 9 degrees maybe, and over there it's 8.5 again, and here it's again maybe even colder. So like I showed you the outside, I'm gonna flush that out by taking out the pipes, and let's see how it goes. Alright, those are the pipes I was talking about. Those pipes, one right there, the upper one, sorry, the upper one and the lower one. One is the inlet and one is the outlet. Probably the engine is already hot. See the temperature of the engine. Certain parts hotter. Okay. Pretty nice. And this is the radiator part. Okay. Okay, anyways, so let's get started. So guys, what I've done is that I've taken off the pipe. This pipe, I'll just show you. Turn on the light. I've taken out this pipe and I have applied this water hose into that area. You see that right there? So this is the external water hose, and I'm gonna turn on the water really fast, and try to flush the radiator. Okay. Oh, we saw there was some gunk coming out. Something just came out. Ugh. This thing was stuck inside, guys. What the heck is this?
It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
So the water seems to be absolutely clean. I'm gonna stop the water now and reconnect the inlet hose for the heater, and let's check if we have a success. But like I said, this gunky thing that came out, it seems to have, hopefully, should solve the problem. Should have solved the problem. Don't forget the plier. I'm gonna reconnect the hose back. This one, the light is pretty low, though I can see everything pretty clearly. Okay. The hose quality seems to be pretty fine right now. I mean, it's soft, it's not hardened out. Normally after a lot of time the rubber stuff gets cracked, but this looks fine. Okay, I'll just use the plier to connect those the pipes pretty firmly. I'll get back. Okay, so I fixed back the pipe now because the water dropped out a little bit, so I'm gonna start the car and start taking up the water. Started, but since this is a hybrid car, we need to press the accelerator so that the water starts to circulate. So the water is a little reduced. Fill it up a bit. Fill this up as well. And put that. Okay guys, so I just restarted the car. Okay. Oh right, and the temperature has already reached 16, 17 degrees, which is a good sign. Earlier it wasn't reaching beyond 10 degrees, and keep in mind that outside temperature is, close to 0 or something. Beauty. Nice. What do we have here? Still less. Does that mean that the ducts are not fully functioning? Anyways, let's keep the car running for a couple more minutes and then we'll come back. Alright fellas, so I just made a short trip outside and it's a little bit evening time maybe. So what I'm gonna do is that after this short trip, if I check the temperature, it's reaching almost 42, 43 degrees and it's pretty awesome. So let's call it a day. It's a big success because we saved a lot of money by this DIY project. See you later, guys. Thumbs up.